please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon. Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm 9 years old, and guess what? Today we are going to make another cute kawaii origami bookmark in our cute kawaii origami bookmark series, and it's going to be the best one. Guess what it is? It's a unicorn bookmark. Do you think unicorn is the best thing in the world? Because I do, as you can even keep special notes over here. Hi! And that's our bookmark. So first, I'm going to show you all the supplies you are going to need to make this cute kawaii origami unicorn bookmark. Paper. I'm going to use pink paper. Glitter paper or some fancy paper to make its horn. I'm going to use this pink one. Small sheet of paper or small piece of paper to make the secret notes. So you will need some scissors, glue to paste the horn. I'll use fabric glue because my normal glue got over and I'm in a lockdown. Then you will need some markers to make and design this whole thing. So first, hold your paper in a diamond shape, not in a square shape, in a diamond shape. Now fold it corner to corner. Now open. Hold it again in a diamond shape. Now fold this corner in the middle. Line. Do the same thing with this side also. So try to align them like mine are out of line. Ooh, that rhymes, right? Yeah, that rhymes. Now fold this. No! Wrong! This is completely wrong. You will be wrong with your unicorn bookmark if you fold it till here. You have to fold it a little bit above. Okay, so don't do this mistake. A little bit above. You'll be wrong if you do it till the middle. So, a little bit above. Fold your bookmark in half. Now turn and fold it like this. So this depends on you how much big you want the face to be. Just come up here. I want it to be this much. Now open. Fold it in the same way. Turn and fold it in the same way again from behind. Now open. Now open this. Fold it. Now you'll have the basic shape. So now you'll have this basic shape of the unicorn. Now you can just do the same thing with your nose also. So fold it like this. Open, turn, and fold to make the line flexible. Now turn, open, push it in. And you're done. Your nose also. Now let's start with the best part, the decoration. Yay! So I love this part, decoration part. First, you are just going to stick the unicorn, basic one. So basically, you are just going to stick the unicorn first. Open my glue now. And I'm just going to apply glue on all this portion here. Stick this on the whole thing over here actually. As you can see, you can just put it on one edge and then stick it with the other. So that will work perfectly as well. I'm going to add few drops. So like this and like this. I'm just going to spread. I'm not going to use my glue spreader in this video. It just got lost this time. Now time to stick it. It's going to be a difficult step. Oh no. What should I do? Oh no. Who should I call for help? Baba! Help quickly! I messed up! Sit. Now I'm even going to put some glue over here. I messed up over there. Don't do that. It's going to stick. Now let's start really decorating it. First, I'm going to cut out its horn, then we'll decorate. So you won't need such a big sheet of paper. You just need this much piece. And not even that much, okay? You need this much actually. So don't buy a whole sheet. If you just have one piece, it's fine. And even half of that actually, but I can't show you how much you need, so you just need to cut out a small horn. So you can even cut it out of normal paper, that will even work beautifully. Now let's stick the horn. As you see, we have left a bit of cavity here. I'm going to apply all the glue over there. Stick my horn out there. I think a bit below, like here, yeah, somewhere like here. Before that, you can even just fold it like that. I'm just going to fold it a bit. My head is looking very bumpy. So I'm just going to stick it. Now really let's start decorating. After we'll put on that gemstone, what I want to call it. Right here. Now really let's start decorating with the markers. Then I'll write magical at the end. First I'm going to make its mane. Not yet. We are not done. Now let's start writing our secret messages on our chits. a black marker. I'm just going to write on one. I'm just going to write I-U-H-I-U, and I'm going to make a pink heart. I'm just going to make this some designs like we made on the unicorn. Put it in. Now I'm going to show you how you can put it on your book. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Bye.